0, 1, 2, 3.
Hello everyone, I hope all of you guys are well. Some of you guys asked me to post a video when I'm installing a package unit, and you want to see how we're connecting the ductwork to the platform. So I hope this will help. Enjoy the video and see you guys in the next project. Installation of platform, ductwork. It's a 14 system, 18-inch return, planar box with 1.5 inch installation, and then we have all side is connected to. We divide it to 1600 CFM to 4 10-inch duct. So here, this one is gonna be a second floor here. So this duct goes under the attic right there to that attic, feed that room, and then we'll come to the second floor. This is the attic. We run all the ducts. Everything is strapped. So this job is done. I just want to show you guys this part, and then we will do the finishing to put the unit on the roof. So once we put the platform together, connect all the ductwork, we put the bubble wrap on it. That will help the vibration, and also the sound doesn't go inside. These units are very quiet, but I like to make it more. I'm going to double up the insulation, and we cover the all floor at the top of the platform with it. So that will does a lot of things. One, in case of the water leak, it never go inside the ductwork. Second, it keeps the air tight, it doesn't leak. And then once we put that one, before we put the unit, we put the gasket on top of it. So everything is sealed, everything is airtight. It's leveled. There's gonna be a Fort in New York package. Okay, we will show you guys the rest once I have the unit, and we'll show you how we install the unit. This existing house, they put a new roofing. This part is gonna be a second floor here. They add those two sections to the house. And this is a flat area that we don't have no air conditioning, but I put the vents very close to this room. Maybe later on they wanna put a small mini split for that room.
Here. So about 8 feet. This side is gonna go other side. Keep it straight, keep it straight. Doug! Pull it to yourself. Buradan buradan. Okay, push it. Okay, come this way. Good? Yeah, perfect. Okay, it's clear.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Pick up your food. Everything, make sure we got everything.
Okay guys, so the unit is done. We install the system. We let the system sit here before they put the roof in, so the roof can sink a little bit before they put the shingle, otherwise we'll have waves. So we install a attic fan, 2000 CFM, and all the bathroom fans we install. And this is a AIQ fan that brings some air to the house. And that's it. It's a York system, beautiful unit. Okay, we put these raw metals here. It comes with a platform. We're gonna screw it to the platform so it can hold the platform. All right, see you guys in the next job.